Okay, so if you have any doubt, you can ask me after the sharing is over. So now you see, what is the difference? I had someone clean the house versus I got someone to clean the house versus I made someone clean the house and I let someone clean the house. What is the difference? We shall be knowing now. Okay, so now you see, I what is someone else did it for me. If someone other person is doing this one for me, then I had someone clean the house versus I got someone to clean the house. I made someone clean the house and I let someone clean the house. All the four sentences are being done by others to work for you, for the subject. The owner, the subject itself, it's not working. He made or she made others to work for him or her. That's the difference is being done here. Hello, how are you? Hello, where are you? Are you there? Okay, so Shikha, are you there? Okay, please listen to it very carefully. I will be asking you some questions regarding that, and you should be very excellent if you can, if you are attentive in this session. So, what's the thing? What is the difference? I had someone clean the house. That means I had arranged for someone to clean. That means I had arranged means what? I have arranged everything. That means I have arranged that person. I talked with him, I met with him, I talked with him everything. Then I told him to come and he made all the things arranged, and that is called I arranged for someone to clean the house. That is the word. I got someone to clean the house. That means I arranged for someone to clean. That means big effort. It was hard. I got someone. That means for arrangement, I didn't get the person very easily. I had to search over there. I had to search for many days. And suddenly I got, and or luckily, I got someone to clean the house. In the bracket you see big effort or it was hard. That means I was searching on, but I was not getting anyone easily to clean the house. But suddenly when I got, then I have to say like that, I got someone to clean the house. And where there will be, there is that means you are getting someone to make work for you, and it is very hard. That means you are not getting anyone and you are searching on, but suddenly or luckily you got someone, then it will be called here I got. You can't use here have or had or made or let. You have to use here got. Just listen to it very carefully. There is a difference between using had, got, made and let. Okay, so next one you see, I made someone clean the house. What is the difference? Made and got. You see, they didn't want to clean. That means made someone, that means I compelled someone. मैंने किसी को जबरदस्ती जबरदस्ती अपना घर साफ करवाने में साफ करवाया किसी से जबरदस्ती. That means that person was not that much willing to clean, but I somehow I made him compelled to clean my house. And that in that side, in that situation, I will use only made. I made someone clean the house. Just listen to it carefully, please. And next one you see, I let someone clean the house. I gave them permission to clean the house. It's okay, you can do it. That means what? I let. When I will be using let, that means it's a choice. If I say him please clean, I let him clean the house. That means if it is if he wishes to clean the house, it's okay. If he does not wish to clean the house, that's also okay. And in that part you can use let here. Understood everyone? Can you understand the difference? I arranged for someone to clean. That means I arranged everything. I made him, met him, talked with him. Then I got everything discussed, how much I will be giving to him or her. And I arranged him to do this work. Next, got. When I will be using got, I will be using got. That means when something I am searching or searching someone to do my work very hard. That means I was not I was not getting success in compelling someone, or getting success to get someone to work for me. But luckily, I got suddenly I got, and I was freaked out that I got someone. At that time, I will be using got. Next one, you see, I made someone clean the house. They don't want to. That means someone is not ready to work for me, but somehow I made him compelled to work for me. And that time, at that reason, you will be not using got, you will be not using had, you will be not using let, you will be only using in the time of saying in such sentences, you have to say made him. That means किसी को जबरदस्ती अपना काम करवाना, जबरदस्ती मनवाने को you can write I made. नेक्स्ट वन इसी आई लेट समवन क्लीन द हाउस. दैट मीन्स उसकी मर्जी, अगर वो ना भी करे तो भी सही है, अगर वो हाँ भी करे तो भी सही है. मतलब कोई जबरदस्ती नहीं, वो अपनी चॉइस, उसकी भी चॉइस है. दैट मीन्स आई लेट समवन क्लीन द हाउस. दैट मीन्स इट वाज चॉइस ऑफ द टू persons. If you are saying no, I will not clean, it's okay. And if you are saying yes, I can, I will clean, then also it's okay. There is no force and nothing. It's a freedom of your choice. And that's the thing, is being, that's the difference here. To use, when to use had, when to use god, when to use made, and when to use let. That's the difference is being done here. Accordingly, you have to use the way you say, talk to anyone. So test yourself. I didn't want my friend to drive me to the airport, but she insisted, and I finally said okay. So what will be the answer here? Tell me. I let my friend drive me to the airport. I my friend. Here is I had my answer is I had my friend drive me to the airport.